Welcome to today's Market Roundup. It's Friday, December 6th, and the markets are buzzing with action. From the RBI's latest policy decision to some standout stock performances, we've got all the key highlights you need to know. The Nifty slipped 30 points, or 0.12%, settling at 24,677, while the Sensex dipped by 56 points to end at 81,709. Despite the decline, market breadth leaned positive, with 2,098 stocks advancing against 1,029 declining. On the sectoral side, most indices ended in the green, led by auto, metal, FMCG, telecom, and PSU banks, which gained between 0.3 to 1%. However, IT and media sectors lagged behind, capping the day's performance. Bajaj Auto, Axis Bank, SBI Life, Tata Motors, and Maruti Suzuki emerged as the top gainers, driving market sentiment. On the flip side, Adani Ports, Cipla, Bharti Airtel, HDFC Life, and Asian Paints saw declines, adding pressure to the indices. Next, let's check in on the currency markets. The Indian rupee closed at 84.6875 per dollar on Friday, making a slight recovery from Thursday's level of 84.7325. The Reserve Bank of India's move to keep policy rates unchanged while slashing the cash reserve ratio by 50 basis points provided some support. Despite this, the rupee extended its weekly decline for the fifth consecutive week, losing 0.2% over the past 5 days. In today's fifth bi-monthly monetary policy, the RBI kept the repo rate steady at 6.5% for the 11th straight meeting. Governor Shaktikanta Das reiterated the focus on managing inflation while supporting growth. CRR has been reduced by 50 basis points to 4%, a move aimed at improving liquidity in the system. Sai Life Sciences is set to hit the markets with its IPO from December 11 to 13, aiming to raise up to Rs 3,043 crore. The price band is set at Rs 522 to Rs 549 per share, with a minimum bid of 27 shares at the upper limit. This IPO is a unique opportunity to invest in the growing small molecule NCE development space. The broader markets showed strong momentum today. The Nifty Midcap 100 climbed 0.45%, while the Smallcap 100 surged 0.82%. This outperformance signals growing investor confidence in mid- and small-cap stocks, highlighting increased participation and optimism in the broader market. Spot gold rose 0.3% to $2,640, while U.S. gold futures gained to $2,266.61. Analysts point to profit-taking and expectations of a stronger U.S. dollar as the main pressure on prices. Traders are closely watching the upcoming November jobs data, with expectations of a 214,000 rebound in jobs and a rise in the unemployment rate to 4.2%. The data could impact the Fed's stance on rate cuts, which in turn may affect market sentiment toward gold. Tata Power has announced a massive investment plan, setting its sights on a target of Rs 1.46 lakh crore to double its operational capacity to 32 gigawatts by 2030. In FY24, Tata Power's installed capacity was 15.6 gigawatts, with 6.7 gigawatts of that coming from renewable sources. CEO and MD Praveer Sinha shared that the company's 2030 vision includes a major renewable shift, with 23 gigawatts of its total capacity coming from green energy. India's forex reserves rose by USD 1.51 billion to USD 658.09 billion for the week ending November 29th, following a drop in the previous week. While reserves had fallen sharply by USD 17.76 billion earlier, this increase offers a sign of recovery. However, they remain below the all-time high of USD 704.88 billion reached in September. Vedanta saw a strong surge in its share price, gaining up to 7% during intraday trading on Friday. The stock has risen by 15% since its lows in November, largely driven by the rally in base metal prices. That wraps up today's market highlights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights.